Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to make dash line. So for example, I will create line, and if you want to make dash line, you can type line type, press enter, and then be sure for line style dialog box. In here you can click load, then you can choose for dash line. As example, I will use this dash 2, click OK, and then you can click OK again. Now select the object and then go to properties tab. You can see in here you can set for the line in it, and you can set into dash 2. So we create the dash line. Okay, that's it for a basic draft site tutorial how to make dash line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.